These calibers you're looking at belongs to the German gun, which is the gun we're going to be shooting for today, and I currently have it in the car, and I'm going to pull it out right now. Currently you're looking at the 8mm Mauser. It's a rifle used during World War II. Alright, I'm going to hand these to you. I'm going to put mine on. Okay. So, first of all, I want to say thank you to the Reverend for helping me with the video. Without him, there's no way I could have come up and shoot those guns out here. He's a good cameraman. He's going to be assisting me with the video. Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah, just... Okay.